Hello, I'm Luisa Talamo and I work for the career service at the University of Padua, which is located in Italy, near Venice. We have 70,000 students, we have 13 faculties and 72 degree courses, so we are one of the biggest universities in Italy. And at our career service, we are 20 people working on 6 main activities. So we manage internships and mandatory trainings for the whole university. We offer career guidance, so counseling, individual counseling, and seminars and workshops on future careers for students and graduates. We have a local market observatory, which is a research group that investigates the labor market needs. Then we have a sort of a company area, company services. So we offer career days and career fairs or company presentations within the university, and we charge for this service. And yes, and that's it about the activities. Then yes, we monitor and we measure the success of our activities. First of all, we monitor the quality of internships, and we evaluate the internships at the end of the experience. So we send a questionnaire to our students and also to our companies to evaluate the experience and to have suggestions, or to know if they are satisfied with the experience and if they are satisfied with our service too. And we elaborate and collect and elaborate these data, and we make reports to our university, but also to government. And in my presentation of tomorrow, I will show you some statistics. Then we measure our tools. We have an electronic platform, and we measure our questionnaire too. So we can count the accesses of our notice board, the offer entered by companies, the applications entered and uploaded by our students, the traffic, of course, the matching, and the internships or jobs that are really carried out. So if the company has hired a student, so there are data that we have. Just to give you an idea, we manage something like 18,000 internships per year. So all over the world, it's a huge number. And then we measure also the services to companies, because after career days or after company presentations, the company come back to us and tell us how many CVs, how the ideal CVs has collected, and for jobs or for internships, and how many after the interviews are hired for an internships or for a job post. Then we have, I'm sorry for the time, but we do a lot of things. Then we have a survey on graduates that is carried out by one of our professors in statistics that has a research group of statistics, of course. And all the graduates of the University of Padua are interviewed on the phone through the CATI method, which is the computer, I don't remember I have written somewhere, but I can't remember, is the computer-assisted telephonic interview. So all the graduates are interviewed after 6, 12, and 36 months after degree. If they have a job, what kind of job, what kind of contract, in which field, if they are satisfied with that. If they are satisfied with their title and with their education, what would they do if they would come back, the opportunity to come back? Would they have changed something of their academic path? What are their suggestions? So there are a lot of questions. And think about the huge amount of data that are collected and then reported at academic level. And all this information are very precious and important for us, because professor can understand and adjust their education path in order to get our courses and also our university be attractive to students. That's it.
Well, thank you quite a lot.
Yes.
So now I think is it working? Yeah.